So we have driven 25 T-posts in the ground, and this is what we're going to use this year to do our Florida weave. This year we're going back to Florida weave. Last year we staked each plant individually, and that was kind of a nightmare. So this year we're going back to the Florida weave. The Florida weave is the simplest way to trellis a lot of tomatoes. Let me show you how it works. So as you can see with Florida weave, you put your posts in every other plant depending on your spacing. And you start at the bottom and you weave. So you go tied to the end stake, you go inside the plant, around the stake, outside the plant, and you weave back and forth all the way down. When you get to the end, you just turn back around and you weave in the opposite direction. That's why it's called the Florida weave. And what it does is it produces this interwoven trellis system. We're using, this is baling twine. We've been using this for years, using the same roll of baling twine for about 4 years. But this is a good way, if you have a lot of plants, this is a great way to trellis a lot of plants quickly. Once we got the posts in the ground, it only took us about 30-45 minutes to trellis them. We made 2 runs on each row. First row we have cages, so we didn't do the Florida weave system on the first row, but we started second row, third row, and the fourth row all have the Florida weave system. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, Lord willing, and the creek don't rise.